So let's now create our employees. Let's add some logic here so we can create some of our employees. Here we're gonna need some items to send to our view. Since we give it a status, we are just gonna get those which status is 0 in this case. Status equals to 0, and let's get them. And we're gonna return it to our view. Same way we did it with our index. That's it. I just lost. Let's just erase this. We don't need it. Okay, let's go to the store function. Here we're gonna create a new employee object. New employee. Very well. And now let's just give it the values we're gonna get from our view. Employee name equals to request name. That's it. Employee father last name equals to request father last name. Father last name. Employee mother last name equals to request employee mother last name. And also we need position. Request position, and last one employee item. Well, item ID. Request item ID. And we'll save. And don't forget to change the status of our item selected. We're gonna use DB on the table items, where ID equals to request item ID. Update status. Let's change it to 1. And let's just return redirect root employees dot index semicolon. That's it. Let's see if it works. This one will be here. Oh, we forgot to add this one. Let's copy this one and item, and I forgot also to use db. Let's see. That's it. Okay, let's just add some random test developer. We don't have any item yet, so we're just gonna leave it that way and save. And there it is. As you can see, if we go here, we don't have anything, and delete as well because we haven't did anything in there. Let's take a look at that. Here is our edit function. Let's just do that. Let me. Very well. Here's our edit function. What do we need here? We need to find our employee. So we are gonna create another variable here, and let's just find our employee. Employee find or fail by ID. The ID we are sending from our view. We also gonna need the items. We're gonna get those that are with an status of 0. Let's return view employees dot edit, and let's send our values. Employee and items. Sorry, that's it. Let's see if it's working. Employee. Oh, sorry. Employee. No, employee. Okay, now let's see if everything is working fine now. It. And very well, there it is. But this is not gonna work until we add the rest of the logic here. So we are gonna use an employee here, just the same as here. And let's do some if here, because we need to validate if we are gonna change our item. If our item ID of our employee it's different than the requested item ID, then we have to update our item ID. Well, the status of our item, the one that our employee had selected previously. So table items where ID equals to employee item ID date status to 0. Else to 1, but not this one, the requested one. That's it. Nice. And now we are just gonna copy this one because it is pretty much the same, so I need to write it everything. And let's return redirect employees dot index. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's change this one something and save. There it is. Let's just check what I did here. I had to add this route. For some reason it's not working with our resource, so I just added here like this to our update. Post the route where it's gonna appear in our browser, which controller and function, and the name I gave it. This one we're gonna use it later, not now. Okay, that's it. Let's do our destroy function as we did in the last one. We're gonna find our employee, find our file by ID. Let's just delete it and turn redirect back. That's it. Let's see how that works. and there it is. Well, devs, I think this is enough for now. We are gonna continue with our next modules in the next video. I think this is enough for our employees module. We have already our index, our create one, our edit, and the delete function. So let's continue in the next couple of videos to finish this project. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you like it, please give me a like and comment and subscribe. If you have any doubts, let's just leave me a comment in the comment box, as you know, and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. So let's see you in the next videos, devs. See you, take care.